Welcome to my channel. Right now you are in the right place.
Hi everyone, today I want to share with you this very simple way of making a napkin holder using this mandala style mold. It's very quick. Normally I share with you my resin art creations and some of my other life tidbits. So let's watch how I do this, and if you like it and find value in this, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my future uploads. So let me show you. It's very quick. We're just using some clear resin with gold leaf inside, Chameleon gold mixed resin, and white mica mixed resin, and then I'll show you how we make this into a napkin holder. So keep watching. For the resin brand I was using, it has taken 8 hours for this to cure enough for the next stage. So I'm going to demold. I'm still wearing the gloves because I don't want to smudge. I like how the colors have blended. You know, see how this chameleon gold has blended into this, how the gold leaf has blended into the other one. And it's still a little tacky. That's why also we are wearing gloves. You can see it's demolding well, but it's still malleable, it's still soft. So let's demold and we go on to the next stage. And it's still soft, but we can't wait because if we wait, it's going to be too hard. We could have waited a little longer, but I think it's okay. Looks like we could even form it with our own hands, but that may not last. So let's see. I could almost form a bowl from this next time. Or another design, maybe for a tissue holder. I think I'm thinking about it, and I think I have an idea on what to do next time. But you see, it doesn't, the shape is getting lost, but it's okay. For what we need to do, it's okay. I'll show you what we need to do. But I think if you want the shape to stay better, you see, it's still malleable enough. I think this side is very dull, so I don't want to use it. I want to use this side to be on the outside. And so, let's show you. I think next time maybe I'll wait for it to become, to stay, to be a little, what do I say? I'll wait a little more so that it doesn't lose shape. But for what we need to do, it will still work. So here it is. Let me do this. Okay. So this sweet side is the pretty one. I think this side is the prettier one. So what we're going to do now, I've covered this both sides, and so I'm going to divide it like this into two, like this. That's why I think the shape would of course have looked better if it had stayed longer, but even now it can work like this. So both sides, and then these corners I normally keep them after maybe buying frames, so I'm going to use this like that. And this other one like this, so that it keeps this shape like this, so that it keeps this shape, and then we let it cure, then we come remove this and I show you how. I reveal to you how it's gonna look. Our napkin holder is almost done, so we remove this one. I love the colors already, so this is why we put this. So now let's remove this. Oh, look at that, I love it already. Okay, so what that does, it's still nice and smooth. Look at that and the colors. Wow, I like this ruggedness. You know, the fact that it was very light, it gave it this almost warped look, and it's giving it not an abstract look. I don't know how to put it. A look that is not as geometrical. Yes, that's what I meant. Not too geometrical. And it would still look amazing geometrical, but look at this. And so this is it, my dear friends. It stays nicely and flat. God bless you. Please keep watching to see how we style this. Baraka Tele. We'll see you on the next one. And don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell to see my future videos. And also check out my Instagram, because I show more colors and show more of different way we style this. And remember, even on the card above, we have other napkin and tissue holder ideas that you can check out.